Thank you, Anders. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is the all-new CLA Shooting Brake. This is the second member of our all-new generation electric vehicles. My name is Vitaly and I'm the product manager. It's my pleasure to present you this car here in beautiful Copenhagen. The CLA Shooting Brake brings now even more choice and flexibility to our customers. After all, this is our most intelligent and most efficient family we have ever built. But now, let me tell you what stands out on this CLA Shooting Brake. With a range of up to 761 kilometers and the possibility to recharge 310 kilometers in just 10 minutes, this is not just the perfect daily companion, it also brings you effortlessly to every destination you want. The CLA Shooting Brake will be available for orders by end of this year, and we will start to deliver early next year. Just like the CLA, we will offer the Shooting Brake also with a 48-volt, highly efficient hybrid engine following next year. But now, let's have a look at this beautiful design. Just like the CLA, it has a low greenhouse, athletic shoulders in the rear, our frameless doors, and our famously known shark nose design. With our newly designed spoiler, we are creating a seamlessly transition of the glass roof from the front to the rear over to the rear window. We have designed the rear spoiler in a two-tone color, black in the inside and vehicle color in the outside. This creates a unique and elegant design for the CLA Shooting Brake. Talking about the glass roof brings not only an openness and spacious feel in the car, it also sets a new standard in this segment. The glass roof contains now an electrical shading. For the very first time, this is offered in this segment. So with just one click, customers can change from a clear view outside to an opaque shading. But this is not everything. What is even more special is our new star-studded sky, which is equipped in this CLA Shooting Brake. We have connected our glass roof to our ambient light. And this in particular adds a very unique experience to the passengers in the rear seat row. They can lay back, relax, and enjoy the star-studded sky, even if it's cloudy outside. But that's not everything. Our CLA Shooting Brake is also about practicality and versatility. The rear end of the CLA Shooting Brake brings big benefits when it's about space. So with the CLA Shooting Brake, we offer a capacity of 1,290 liters. In addition to our 101 liters in the front. If that's not enough to transport all your luggage and sport equipment, we have even equipped this beautiful roof rail as standard for the CLA Shooting Brake. Let's sum it up. The CLA Shooting Brake brings a new dimension into the segment. Just like the CLA, it contains all the benefits and it's further enriched by an incredible space, versatility, and an added sparkle of style. Thank you very much.